Hello everyone, I am Bernardo buzzmayor from Davao, Davao City, Philippines. This is the continuation of the previous video that I shoot but fell short of the important information because of the limited recording space of my cell phone. As you know, every person needs to have a foundation in sales before it can sell a product or service. And I only have that because I was trained on how to sell to cold, warm, and hot prospects. I was trained on how to conserve clients' accounts when I was a sales and sales consultant of a book publishing company. On top of this, I have enrolled on online marketing with the famous Dan S. Kennedy marketing guru, which gave me the secret on how to prospect, how to write copies, how to present one-on-one or one-to-many, how to handle objections, and how to close a sale, and even how to price a product or service. I also have enrolled in a program for human behavior and influence by the famous Dr. Kevin Hogan.